People, hey. So I broke up, or Steve broke up with me. Right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. There's light. 1 minute. And I'm with this boy called Jose. And he's like really tall. Like I'm 180, that's about 6'5" or something like that. So that's quite tall. And he's like a head taller than me, he's like 6'6" or something like that. I'm meeting up with him today, and sorry that I haven't been uploading any videos because my camera died. And I dyed my hair, as you can see, it's my natural colour, blonde, it's like a dirty blonde. And so I'm gonna go, I'll be uploading more videos soon. And if you have any requests, just ask me and stuff. Okay? So bye.